Okay, now we're going to cover changing the IP to a name on a network printer that's already installed on your computer. You'll know you need to do that if you've got a printer that was installed and working last year, and this year it gives an error message saying the IP is wrong. They went through and renamed all network printers with a name that matches what their IP address is. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Start. I'm going to go up to Printers and Faxes, where I can show you the printers that are already installed. You'll notice that I have a local printer, and here's my network printer. You can see the name has already been changed here. That name will be clearly on the front of the printer in your workroom or in your room if you've got a network printer. So you'll need to write that down before we get started and go on too far. Now, in order to do this, we go down to Start, go to Control Panel. When we get into Control Panel, we're going to want to switch over to Classic View. That'll let us find Run Advertised Programs more easily. So we're going to double click on Run Advertised Programs. And as that opens up, I'll show you that you need to make sure your areas are in all areas and your categories are in all categories. You won't see all the offerings, all the things that are offered from Run Advertised Programs. So we're going to scroll down just a little bit till you'll see Change Printer IP Address. I can run that either by clicking once and going to Run or double click. That's the method I like. So I'll just double click on it. Starts the program. And you'll notice that I see the printers that are already in my computer. So I'm going to select the one, which I'm changing, and I'm going to enter that name, which is also on the front of the printer so that I can find the correct name, into the box. And then I simply click Change Printer IP. As long as the button's in, it's working. When it pops back out, it's done. And that's it. Now I can print to that printer without any problems. If I still can't print to the printer, it'll be necessary for me to enter a help desk ticket to have a technician look at it. If you need to enter a help desk ticket, you may want to watch the video on how to enter a help desk ticket. Shows the proper information that a technician would need to be able to help you with your problem.